Get personalized feature recommendations with Help Agent. Discover and set up the right Salesforce features for your business based on your goals. Once you're on Salesforce Help, sign in with a login connected to your org so you can get personalized recommendations. To get started, select Set up my unused Salesforce features. This opens a conversation with Help Agent where you'll be asked what product you'd like to learn more about. Because you're logged in, Help Agent recognizes your environment and can provide a list of goals you might want to achieve. For example, improving your win rate. Help Agent finds features you're not using that will help you do that. Select one from the list that you want to learn more about. Help Agent provides a high-level description of your chosen feature, in this case, Einstein Activity Capture, and how using it can help you achieve your goal. If you're ready to keep learning, Help Agent considers your Salesforce usage data to provide fully personalized learning guidance. Go straight from the conversation to configuring the feature. Then review practical steps on how to use it and how the feature can benefit your organization. Help Agent can also provide more information on the feature so you can reference it later. Help Agent will offer resources like recommended product documentation and specific expert coaching sessions for Premier and Signature Success Plan customers. To sign up for a session, let Help Agent know your location and preferred date. It'll use that information to find time with a Salesforce expert for you. As you reach your goals or set new ones, Help Agent evolves with you. You can come back at any time and select the next goal you'd like to achieve and get new, tailored recommendations. Help Agent doesn't just answer questions. It moves you from reactive issue resolution to proactive customer success by resolving your issue, offering personalized guidance, and recommending other features to help your business get even more out of Salesforce. Check out our other videos and explore related topics with Agentforce on help.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching.